Hey guys, I'm a little bit embarrassed to come on here because I need to clean and reorganize all my makeup and it's looking pretty hectic. I've been ordering makeup, I've been putting on makeup, and I have not been cleaning up behind myself because everything's been just so busy for me lately. So I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you guys how my makeup's looking. Literally, I come in here and put on makeup and I just leave it where it is. I have not been cleaning up makeup behind me, so I'm gonna show you guys how I clean and organize my makeup. I'm actually gonna take my makeup from out of the bathroom and put it into my vanity area. So yeah, let me show you guys how my makeup's looking. As you guys can see, I have on my jumpsuit. So I'm comfortable. It's pretty cold here in LA, in California. It's pretty cold, so I said I'm gonna dress comfortable for this video. I'm not going to have the makeup on. I'm not gonna get all dressed just to clean up. Who does that? Not me. So yeah, let me get started and get into it. So let's go, guys. Follow me. This is how my bathroom sink is looking right now. The bowl back there is from me dyeing my hair. All these brushes I need to clean. A box that I ordered from Juvia's Place. One of the boxes that I ordered from Juvia's Place. Like, these are the palettes that I've been using. All my makeup is just sitting here, and this side is my husband's side and this side is supposed to be my side, but I've been using both sides, guys. Like, I have been taking over and I need to clean all of this up. And then in this drawer, I need to organize all this back. It's just thrown in there. As you can see, there's not even nothing in there. It's just thrown in there. And down here, I need to clean up a little bit. So I'm gonna show you guys and bring you guys along with me to organize all my makeup. I am just so embarrassed that I have letting it get this bad. It's pretty bad. Like, look at this. It's bad. It's bad. Like, all these brushes are dirty. Look at that. Look how dirty my sponges are. I have not cleaned them in a very long time. So dirty. I need to clean them. So I'm gonna clean my brushes really quick. Okay, now I'm done with the bathroom. I'm gonna go straight into organizing my vanity. I have taken all my makeup from out of the bathroom and brought it to my vanity area. So I'm just gonna jump straight right into it, guys, because this is taking longer than I anticipated. As you can see, this is my vanity area, and look at all this freaking makeup that I need to reorganize. Like, this is ridiculous. A whole box of makeup. I just cleaned my brushes. I have makeup in here, makeup everywhere. Like, as you can see, I'm addicted to Juvia's Place. So Juvia's Place, hit me up, sponsor me. I gotta organize this over here. These drawers I got from IKEA. They're called the Alex drawers or Alexa drawers, one of those. And I actually have a set of 5, but my husband has not put the rest of them together yet. So yeah, so I'm going to declutter this mess. I am now finished with my vanity area. I don't have a vanity mirror at the moment because, as you guys know, we just moved here and I want to get the perfect vanity mirror, and I'm just kind of taking my time with that, so I just have a little small mirror over there. So yeah, let me show you guys everything up close. So yeah, over here I just have my favorites on top of my vanity. I have my little mirror, some concealer and foundations that I love, my Juvia's Place collection. I had to get its own little container and stand for it because I love Juvia's Place. My Juvia's Place travel bag I have here. And then in this drawer right here, I do have a couple glasses. And over here I have some Burt's Bees facial wipes. I have some makeup brush cleansing cloths. I have some nails for your toes and your hands. I have nipple patches, my makeup brush cleaners, and then guys, this is the best makeup remover. This cleansing balm, oh my god, so good, by Clinique. So go grab you some. I think I've had this for like 3 years, maybe 3 years, and guys, it's still like halfway full, more than halfway full. So yes, let's move on. Then over behind me on the first Alex drawer, I have some primers, some oil, some face mist, setting sprays, lip gloss, lipsticks. These are actually Jeffree Star. I have not used them yet. I have some ColourPop. I have some Kylie, NYX. Right now, I love this lip scrub by Wet n Wild. It won't really focus, but it's watermelon. I have some of my brushes that I use. These brushes I use a lot. I actually just cleaned them, as you guys saw earlier in the video. Also, this little cute little picture frame that says, my swimsuit says go to the gym, but my sweatpants says nah girl, you're good. And as I turn this way to my other Alex drawer, I have a couple of my Morphe palettes, Jaclyn Hill, Festival, B&H Cosmetics. I have some more B&H Cosmetics. I have some ColourPop. And a lot of these I have not used. Actually, some of these, I've used none of these. Only ones I used was this one. So I'm going to be doing some looks on that. And here is my Juvia's Place. My Juvia's Place drawer, and guys, I have so much Juvia's Place. I got a little out of hand when it came to Juvia's Place, so be looking for some looks on this. It's a lot in here, guys. I have a lot. Down here is just some more of my setting powders, my highlighters, my blushes, my glue that I use for putting on my eyelashes. I don't really wear eyelashes too much. Eyebrow pencils and stuff in gel, and just some mascaras and some extra stuff that I really don't use, and primers and stuff in there. And then that last drawer is just empty. My beauty blenders are right here, and I have some extra lip liners, eyeliners, and such, and some more brushes that I really don't use. And then I have this little cute little picture with some lipsticks on it. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean and organizing my makeup. It was long overdue. It was disgusting. I'm embarrassed, but things happen. I have kids. I'm busy. We're busy. My life is moving fast. Things are changing for me. So yeah, sometimes I get sidetracked by organizing my makeup and cleaning my makeup brushes, because this is the least important thing in my life right now. Obviously, I'm a mom first. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on the ring bell so you're not missing any videos from me. And guys, make sure you like this video and share this video. And until next time, like I always say, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.